Brent here at the Jewelry Construction Zone at 530 South New Hope Road. Did you know that the first gold rush in the United States started here in North Carolina, 41 miles from here in Cabarrus County? John Reed's son found a 17-pound gold nugget. Now, from 1800 to 1864, when the middle of the Civil War, gold mining was a major industry in North Carolina, especially in Gaston and Lincoln County. Now, farmers would find gold on their property. They would farm during the summer and then they'd find gold other times of the year. Now up in Stanley, people don't know this, but Stanley was named after Stanley Creek, and Stanley Creek was named after a guy named Stanley who found gold. This is actual gold from Stanley Creek, North Carolina. So there's gold all through Gaston County, and people still find it today. Now, while they got the road all dug up, I thought, well, let me give it a shot. Let me see if I can find some gold. So I've put a little dirt in here, dug down a little bit. So let me pan this out a little. See what, oh, look at that. Look right there. There's two beautiful gold nuggets. Let me wash these off a little bit. That is real gold that came out of the ground. Now, whether you believe I've actually found this gold here or not, well, it just depends on what you think. But you can be rest assured that if you have cash and you want to turn it into a beautiful gold piece of jewelry, or if you have gold that you want to turn into cash, you can come here to the Jewelry Construction Zone at Facet Foundry Jewelry Studio at 530 South New Hope Road.
Even though gold really has been found in Gaston County and the surrounding Piedmont area of North Carolina, Brent's finding gold on the side of South New Hope Road in front of the store was only a reenactment illustrating a scraggly, fat old prospector with bad knees panning for gold. The natural gold nuggets shown by Brent are indeed real, as are the gold nuggets shown that were found in the Stanley area. It must be noted that no construction workers were harmed, nor was traffic delayed during the filming of this video within the Jewelry Construction Zone. The only negative created by the filming of this video was the constant eye-rolling and surly comments made by Brent's wife as she was coerced into being the videographer.